Alright, so now we're going to actually look at another type of factorization, which we call, what do we call this kind of factorization, guys? We call it the cubic factorization. Okay, cubic. Alright, and basically cubic factorization, alright, there is difference of two cubes. There can also be sum of two cubes, and both are factorizable. So cubic factorization explores both a sum of two cubes and a difference of two cubes. So here we have a difference of two cubes, and by cube, what do we mean? We mean a number that is formed with numbers by multiplying a certain number two times by itself. Okay, so for instance 27, how is 27 formed? It's multiplying 3 two times by itself. So 3 times 3 times 3 gives you 27. So that means this is a cube. Then 1/8 is formed by multiplying 1/2. How many times? 3 times. Alright, so that's hence it's cubic. Then x to the power 3 is also cubic because it is a exponent that is raised, okay, to the power 3. Alright, and any other exponent that is actually divisible, okay, by 3. Okay, any other exponent that is divisible by 3, that is also cubic. Alright, so what we usually typically do is, first and foremost, we check, is the highest common factor? Obviously the highest common factor is 1, alright, out of the 3 terms that we have. Then what we do is we open 2 brackets. One is a binomial bracket, the other one is a trinomial bracket. And firstly, what we do is we establish what signs are inside this bracket. Immediately, the binomial bracket with the negative sign will basically mimic what is supposed to be in the first bracket. The negative sign will mimic whatever sign in the binomial bracket. So if it's negative, then the first bracket will be negative. If it was positive, then the first bracket would be positive. Okay, then let's look at the signs for the rest of the expression for the second bracket. We immediately put here a positive sign and a positive sign. And that's basically it, guys. A positive and a positive. When it comes to what? When we have a difference of 2 cubes. We always have a negative, positive, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive, positive. Now, what then are the numerical values that occupy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So first and foremost, to look at the binomial bracket, okay, we are going to first ask ourselves, what is the cube root of 1/8? The cube root of 1/8. That gives us 1/2. What is the cube root of x cubed? That's obviously x. And then lastly, what's the cube root of 27? That gives us 3. So the cube root of 1/8, 1/2. The cube root of x cubed, x. The cube root of 27, 3. So please be careful, guys. It's not the square root, but it is the cube root, because we are dealing with a difference of cubes. Then we are going to ask ourselves, a half x times what gives us 1/8x to the power 3. So we know that with the x we have x squared, that's for sure. But a half times what gives us 1/8. Or if you square these two, you get 1/4x squared. So that's why if we square the first term, for the first term inside the trinomial bracket, we square the last term. For the last term in the trinomial bracket, we get 9, and obviously negative 3 times 9 gives us back that negative 27. Then in order to get this term in the middle, all we simply do is we multiply the first and the second term, ignoring the sign. So we multiply the first and the last term inside the binomial bracket, ignoring the sign, right? Because it will be positive, right? So a half x times negative, a half x times 3 gives us 3 over 2x. And guys, that's it, done. So our answer for factorizing this cubic factorization of a difference of 2 cubes is half x minus 3 into 1 over 4x